Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a step towards it instead. 15 years ago, at my school farewell, I was asked, what will I do for my small town if I get selected to work for NASA in the future? My response to that was that it's beyond my imagination. This, of course, was criticized and was not taken well by my teachers, especially because it had come from the top 10 students selected to compete for the Miss DAV 2005 title. I was beyond criticized. You know why I had said that? It was not true. I had said that purely because of the fear of failing to form a spontaneously appropriate response in English in front of all those people. That was the fear of failure. When was the last time you failed at something remarkable? What has been the best career advice that you've ever received? My best career advice is that you chase failure progressively. You chase it so well and so progressively that success follows in the process. 5 years later, in 2010, I was training the middle management corporates of one of the world's biggest MNCs, IBM. Of course, in the process of reaching there, I had failed the very first round, the HR round for this role, multiple times before I made it. Even while I got within the organization and during my accreditation as a trainer, I had to make multiple attempts to clear all my exams. I could do it because I looked at that opportunity. I was not ready for it, but I still took it, and then I learned it on the process. I did turn out to be a trainer who was awarded for her work within the organization and subsequently in the future outside the organization as well. All of this because I had the audacity to fake that I could do it, take the project and learn in the process. As a learning consultant, I know that we learn the most and the best on the job. It is unrealistic, therefore, to expect yourself to be ready for a job 100% before you took the opportunity unless you start really working on it. I started my journey as a trainer by faking it, taking it and eventually making it on the job, then pursuing education in that domain. In 2009, I left the field of software engineering to pursue learning and development out of passion. 10 years later, in 2019, I was accredited by CMMI Institute as a CMMI Level 3 auditor, and in the process, I had failed multiple times. This was also one of those opportunities where I had the audacity. I raised my hand, took the project without being ready for it, and in the process, working really hard to learn and practice, eventually to get accredited. I was one of the key contributors in getting the organization accredited as CMMI Level 3. Of course, I succeeded too. And the formula there as well was the same. I faked it, not to the outside world, but to myself that I could do it. I took it and then I made it on the job. I encourage you to chase failure. Chase failure so much. The only thing that you have to ensure is that your failures are bigger and better than they were yesterday. And that is called being progressive. Look at the opportunities that interest you and chase them if you're not ready to accomplish them 100%. Fake it, make it, take it and make it. You will make it if you put in hard work while working on it. So that is my number one career advice. Do not wait for being 100% ready for an opportunity. Even if you're just 10% ready for it, go chase it, fake it, take it and make it. I guarantee that in the process you will learn and succeed in different ways. I hope you've learned something today. My name is Shipra Singh. You can check my detailed profile in the link below in the description. I hope I contributed to your progress. Happy progressing.